Hey y'all, sitting here, Cody just rolled up and we're sitting here in front of Clover property. Look at how fast the front yard is coming into being. So the front yard now is starting to have some life to it. We got the girls over there taking care of that mess over there. And now you got Cody with Lighty Remodeling. He just rolled up. What up, Rich? All this crap. What up, Whit? Look at this backyard, though. Woo! This is 2 hours of work. How these guys came in here and just busted it out. When they came in, didn't play no games, just got right to the work. Now we can actually get a full assessment of how much work we truly have to do back here. Yeah. And then, come over here. Yeah. This is coming together so fast. So this is good. So basically by Wednesday, Thursday at the latest, we'll have the entire property landscaped and the entire property on the inside cleaned out. So you can see what kind of problem we have up here, because you can look directly into the attics. When you go up into the attic, you can literally see outside. You can see that fascia is just completely disintegrated. The gutters are bad. You see what's left of the gutters just dripping and hanging here. But the rear of the roof was replaced a few years back, minus the whole cedar shingles here on the side. So we'll have to get quotes to have the front of the house match the rear, and then also go ahead and replace these cedar shingles. So yeah, which is why I got my man Cody out here today. Let's go around front and meet him. Say what's up. What's up, Jonas? Yo, there's the man right there. Let me get him on the camera. It's the man right here. Cody Lighty got his fancy shirts on now. Looking good. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you, bro.
Of course.
You good?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what's up, G Money, all the way from Lethbridge? So, for those who don't know, Cody and I kind of got started together. Where you at, man?
I'm down here.
You know, oh yeah, my bad.
Yeah,
There you go. What's up, man? How you doing, bro?
Good. How are you?
All right. Cody and I kind of got our start together. And fast forward a year, he's got a very successful business. I've got a very successful business and a couple new ventures. And see if we can come together and mash up on which will be my biggest project so far. I'm sure you probably worked on some pretty bad ones, huh? How does this one stack up?
It looks fun.
Yeah.
Definitely looks fun.
You haven't seen the inside yet.
You ready for the inside?
I don't think you are, man.
I just left from one down near Freedom. It
was pretty bad.
rough.
I'm gonna go ahead and stack this one up there with it. And I want you to give me an honest opinion.
Yeah.
So just from looking outside, man, y'all know garage door, doors, windows, gutters, fascia, roof. Yeah. Now, what you have not seen is the back. But we'll get there eventually. Yeah. It'll be fun.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. The house is, the foundation and structure, man, is solid. I personally love seeing people come out here. Yeah, exactly. Perfect timing, man. I love having people come up and seeing their ambition and their confidence. Like, oh, we can do anything. You know, you name it. We've seen properties terrible. We've seen them bad. We've seen this. We've seen that. And then they roll up in here and they get humbled. I love it. It's a funny thing to watch. Oh, looks like my breakfast is here. Yeah. It's like Michelle hooked it up. Good deal. It's good to have friends, man. Alright, I'm going to chime in with another video here in a minute. Catch ya.